Hey everyone, so we're going to be testing out some new-ish products today. So this is a brand new product from Turtle Wax. This is their Hybrid Solutions Ceramic and Carnauba Wax and Dry Plus. I hate the way they name this stuff, guys. Like, just give me a simple name. This is a little bit of an older product. This is Mother's California Gold Super Hydro Spray Wax, right? So these are kind of similar products, right? So this is a new version of Turtle Wax's Wax and Dry, right? It's supposed to add ceramic, and it's also supposed to add a new application, a spray and rinse method. So we're going to test applying this to dry paint, applying this to wet paint, right? And also applying it as a spray and rinse. And then with this, right, so this is either on wet paint or on dry paint. No spray and rinse, but we may test that also. So I'm about to wash my wife's car. And it should have some light protection on it. Yeah, well, oh man. Whatever I used last time looks pretty good. I'll have to remind myself what I used last time. That's pretty solid. And I almost hate to strip that off. Yeah, it looks like the lower part of the doors could use a top up. So what my plan is, guys, is I'm going to strip off the protection that's on here. I'm going to strip off the protection that's on both of these doors, also the doors that are on the other side, right? And I'm also going to strip the protection off the hood. So my plan is I will test the Turtle Wax on wet paint on one door, on dry paint on the other door, and then on the other side of the car, I'm going to test two spray and rinse methods, right? So first will just be like spraying it directly onto the door, rinsing it off, and then I'm going to try another method where I spray it directly into the stream of the hose, and we'll see how well that works. On the hood, I'm going to test that product from Mother's. So again, I'll strip the protection off of there, and we'll test kind of two different methods on dry paint, on wet paint, and then we'll compare the results. So I'm going to get this car washed, and then I'll come back and I'll show you kind of the application process for each. And then I'll come back real quick. I just got done stripping the protection off of these doors and the hood. I think I've got Seal and Shine on here. And if you are familiar with Seal and Shine, you'll know how chemical resistant it is. And so it's still beading some water up here at the top. I didn't really, get it all off, but I got it off the main part of the door. I'm trying to get to where you can see it. Right, so it's cheating. It's holding on to water pretty good. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Here on the hood might be a little more obvious. So you can see it's not beading anymore. Hopefully that comes through on camera. So anyway, I just wanted to give us a starting point for where we're working with for when I apply those new products later on. Okay, wife's car has been washed and dried, and the first product we're going to test is this Mother's Super Hydro Spray Wax. So over here on the hood is still nice and cool. So I'm going to do my dry application first. I'm going to do the dry application on the left side, and I'm going to do the wet application on the right side. So I'm doing this one-handed, so hopefully this won't be too awkward. So we're going to start with our dry application here on the left side. Already shook the bottle, prime it a little bit. Yep. Okay, I'm just going to hit half the hood. All right, about 4 sprays to cover half the hood. And this is a Rag Company Creature Edgeless 350, I believe. I've had these towels forever. They still work great. So doing my dry application. She's got PPF here on the front, so I'm going to spread it down into that. Okay. Now I'm going to flip the towel over to my dry side and do a second buff. Real slick, real smooth. So far, I'm pretty impressed. Went on real easy. So, man, the sun is not cooperating with me. I'm not going to be able to get a really good angle of this. So I am seeing a little streaking. It is buffing right off. So dry application was not difficult, but I wouldn't say it was super easy. But if I go across the hood from the side that's been coated to the side that hasn't, I feel resistance right there. Like I'm not kidding. Like slick, 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 and then my hand literally just stops. Like that's pretty interesting. So does add a good amount of slickness. Literally slick, 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 and I feel it right there, right in the middle of the hood. And then it gets grabby over on the right side. So now I'm just going to reuse this same towel because it's the same product. Just going to get a little water on the hood. So already you can see, man, I'm sorry guys, the sun is not cooperating. So you can see it's beading where I applied it. It's flat on this side. Okay, sorry about that. Every time I do this, some neighbor has some wisecrack. So doing about 4 sprays on the hood. I'm gonna wipe it in. That's easier. That's definitely easier. That's definitely easier. So the Super Hydro Wax likes to be applied wet. Shocker. All right. I'm going to get out the drying towel, give this a good dry, and then we will talk a little bit about slickness between the two products. Okay. All right, we're back. So before I said 2 products, what I meant was 2 application methods, right? So this is the same product applied in 2 different ways, right? One was our dry application here on the left. The other was our wet application here on the right. Probably a little overlap in between. So I've got a dry, fresh towel here. I'm just going to run it across the hood, light pressure. Feels nice and slick. So I will say that the wet application side is just a tad grabbier. Like I can just feel a slight difference. It's still slick. It's still an improvement over before, right? Uncoated, but I will say the dry application side is just a little smoother. Let's look at our water beading. Okay. Okay, this is interesting. So, I mean, I would say that this is decent beading, but not great. I actually think that what I had on there before, which was Turtle Wax Seal and Shine, was better at beading water. So, I don't know. Not a great impression. I am going to see if doing this as a spray and rinse, right, which is kind of off-label, makes this any better. Let's test that real quick. So now the whole hood's wet. All right. Oh, now the sun's cooperating. Thank you. And I'm just going to give a spray all over this wet hood. It's kind of a lot of product. Don't really care. And we'll spray it off and just see. Would that make things better? I think it did. I think it did, so that's interesting. So, I think it improved the water beading. It's still not what I would call great water beading, but it's better than it was, and it's kind of nice to know that this product can actually be used 3 ways. Like I said, that spray and rinse is an off-label use. It doesn't advertise that it can do that, but we just showed that it can. I'm going to do that one more time. We'll see if we can get it a little bit better. So something that I've learned about, these kind of sealants is that even they seem to have a little bit of a cure time. So I've seen these get better after an overnight cure, right? Like just letting it sit overnight. I've seen the water beading actually improve. So That's decent. That's not bad. That's not bad. So, pretty inexpensive product. Can be used 3 ways. Let's compare it to the new Turtle Wax product. I am going to see. Now we're going to try out this Turtle Wax Wax and Dry Plus. This has only been out for like a week. I'm going to grab a new fresh towel, and we're going to stick with the dry on the left and wet on the right. So first is going to be our dry application method. Shake up the bottle real good. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll spread that around. I'm mostly doing the kind of lower half of the door here. Make it the top. Oh man, this is easy. This is an easy product to apply. Can already tell this is going to be good. So another thing that I've learned about these kind of products, there's always a trade-off. So you want 3 things out of a spray sealant like this. You want it to look good. If it doesn't look good, nobody's going to buy it. You want it to be easy to apply, and you want it to last a while. The compromise usually comes in either durability or ease of use. So products that are a little more difficult to use tend to last a little longer. Products that are easier to apply tend not to last as long. So I'll tell you, all I did was wipe that in, right? I have not buffed that a second time. And I'm not even sure I need to buff it a second time. That's how easy that was to use, guys. It just went on. Oh my, it's really slick, right? I am going to buff it a second time just to be sure that it's slick. And yeah, I mean, there's no streaking, nothing, right? That is as easy to apply as it gets. And that was to dry paint. We're going to come over. I'm going to put just a little bit of water here on the right side. So you can see, you know, flat water just running right off, right? And we're going to get this, shake it up a little again. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Grab our towel. And we're going to wipe it in. Just going side to side, nothing crazy. Yeah, and that was as easy as it gets too, right? Like, I don't need to buff that a second time. That's done. That is done. And man, is it slick. Okay, let me grab a dry towel, and I'm going to go back and forth across the panel just like I did on the other one. I'll cross both panels, right, and we'll see if we notice a difference in slickness. Be right back. Okay, got a fresh dry towel. Coming in here, starting on our dry application side, super slick. I do feel like the wet application side is just a hair grabbier, like very, very, like almost imperceptible. I don't know. It's slick. Like, it's slick, and it's kind of impossible to tell the difference, right? We wiped here, super slick. Coming back to the hood where we had our Turtle Wax Hydro, or I'm sorry, our Mother's Hydro. They're pretty close. I can feel a slight difference on the Turtle Wax side. It does feel slicker, but again, it's close. It's real close. I wouldn't say either one of them are grabby. They're both slick. Okay, next we're going to move to our other side of the car. We wiped here, sprayed the panel 4 times. I'm going to rinse it off. Look at that difference. Yeah, look at the difference that made. That's really impressive. That is really impressive. So next, this is going to be impossible for me to do one-handed, so I'm going to do it off camera. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the product into the stream of water, right? Across the door. I'm just gonna use 4 sprays, right? Try to get it evenly. So we'll come back and we'll check out what the beading and stuff looks like after I've done that. All right, so okay, and we're back. Look at that beading. That is just from spraying and rinsing. So that was sprayed into the stream of the hose, right? And that was sprayed directly on the panel and then rinsed off. I don't really see much of a difference. I could probably use a little more product down here at the bottom, right, on that spray side. Let's see if we can get that a little bit better. Spray, spray, 2 sprays. And blast that off. So I can tell on the right side it's a little less even, like the coverage is a little less even, but it's still beading nicely. So now let's go back over to where we applied it over here. We'll see what the beading looks like. Left side was our dry application, right side was our wet application. That's killer. That's killer. So good. So good for a product that's so easy to apply. All right, I'm done because I'm kind of worn out and I've still got to dry this thing again, dang it. So just to recap, the Mother's Super Hydro Spray Wax was pretty easy to apply, a little bit streaky. Beading was mediocre, right? The Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Spray and Wax Plus, right? Really, really solid product. I am totally amazed, especially since it's only $13 for 26 ounces. So you can get a lot of use out of that. Every application method was simple. Dry paint, easy. Wet paint, easy. Spray and rinse, easy, right? And they all produced pretty nice beads, much better than the Mother's product did. So I'm going to go ahead and dry the car again, and if my opinion of anything changes as I'm drying it, I'll add on to that, right? But I don't think it is. When I dried the other side, it was nice and smooth and slick, no problems. So yeah, this is my winner, brand new, $13, 26 ounces. Use it 3 ways. Really impressive product, guys. You know, like I said, I don't expect it to last a long time, right? Products that are this easy to use typically don't last a long time. But next time I wash this car, I'm gonna check the hydrophobics, right? And we'll see how it holds up. You know, both products, right? The Mother's on the hood, the Turtle Wax on the doors. So we'll kind of do a longevity test just to see how things end up. Hope this was helpful. Take care.